Yo.
Here we are, it's day one of your transformation. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Melissa.
All right, let's go ahead and hop on the scale. 276 on the dot. So our goal is to lose 20 pounds. We're trying to get you down to 256. So how do you feel? You excited? You ready to go?
I'm excited and I'm nervous.
Ready to do it.
Ready to go?
All right, Melissa, here we are, day 40 of your 6-week transformation challenge. So the goal was to lose 20 pounds in 6 weeks. Let's go ahead and hop on the scale. 253. How are you feeling?
Great.
So what did you learn about yourself?
A lot, mostly confidence and sticking that I can follow through.
All right, and so what's our plan next?
Round two.
Round two, let's do it. Missy, here we are, day 40 of your second transformation challenge. Round two, our goal is to hit another 20 or more. So our start was 253 for this round. Let's hop on the scale and see where we're at. 232.4. All right, so what did you learn about yourself the second time around versus the first?
Just learn that I have the willpower to do it and just get here and it works.
All right, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna go round three, right?
Right.
Let's keep moving. All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
2014, let's go, yo. Results gym. Eat clean, train mean.